This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 4th of March. Alabama's weather will feature a pretty good bit of rain for the next 7 days. We'll have a fairly decent number of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Another batch of rain and storms Friday night into Saturday morning. Rain could be heavy at times along the way. Maybe some flooding issues in that event Friday night, and Saturday morning. So all the new data is in, and we'll take a look at it together. This is the current upper air look across the country. And we have troughing west of the state. And most of the active weather today is a little west of Alabama. That's a visible satellite view. You can see thunderstorm clusters across parts of southern Arkansas, Louisiana, and southwestern Mississippi. For Alabama, we have basically a mixture of clouds and sunshine today. And if you look really carefully on radar, you'll see a couple of small showers up in parts of Blount, Marshall, Cullman, and Morgan counties. I'm live here at 2:52, but you can see a decent chunk of the state rain-free. But we'll mention the chance of isolated showers tonight. The more active storms and showers over Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. Feeling like springtime today. Of course, we are into meteorological spring. We're in the 70s. Birmingham at 75. Huntsville, 74. Interestingly enough, it's cooler down in South Alabama. Mobile, 71. Dothan, 69 because of thicker clouds in that part of the state. Here's a look at the watch warning map this afternoon. We've got some winter weather issues back in the northwest United States. Otherwise, the east is very quiet. We do have a marginal risk of severe storms through tonight from eastern Texas and Louisiana north into parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and Illinois. That's level 1 out of 5. Tomorrow, a marginal risk again for parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, and some of the adjacent states. No risk of severe storms here, although there certainly could be some thunderstorms involved. On day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk of severe storms across the Florida Peninsula. Let's keep it going. Day 4, this is Thursday. A risk of severe storms over parts of Texas, North Louisiana, southwest Mississippi. And on day 5, which is Friday, and keep in mind this outlook runs through Friday night into 6 a.m. Saturday morning. We have a risk of severe storms defined across parts of Louisiana and southern Mississippi and southern Alabama. And the risk is for areas south of the line from Utah to Wetumpka to Opelika, the yellow on that map. And again, a lot of questions, more questions than answers. With no doubt, I think the biggest issue is going to be heavy rain with the event Friday night into Saturday morning. The severe threat is more of a conditional threat. Depends on the amount of instability we see, which is a little iffy at this point. But a lot of rain, yes. This is rain for the next 7 days. And for the northern half of Alabama, this is suggesting rain amounts in the 3 to 6 inch range. South Alabama rain amounts between 2 and 4 inches, so everybody will get a good soaking. And the most widespread rain will be tomorrow and then again Friday night into Saturday morning. So let's go through the dailies. Model fans, this is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And you can see a little shortwave coming in here, and that will bring an increase in the number of showers and thunderstorms. A lot of clouds around, but it's not going to rain all day. In fact, let's look at the high-resolution HER model. HER standing for High Resolution Rapid Refresh. And this is valid tomorrow afternoon at 5 o'clock. And you can see that it's not going to be raining everywhere all day, but certainly occasional showers and a few thunderstorms are likely. Highs upper 60s and low 70s in most spots. We do not expect any severe storms, and we don't expect any flooding tomorrow. But some folks may be receiving up to 1 inch of rain. Then on Wednesday, that wave is on by. A surface low is on the Virginia-North Carolina border. And there's enough moisture for a few isolated showers, but I think much of the day Wednesday dry and mild. Like today, highs up in the middle 70s. And really the same thing on Thursday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, isolated showers, nothing widespread, highs up in the middle 70s again. And then the next wave comes through Friday with rain and thunderstorms becoming widespread. This run showing a surface low near Chicago, 1,001 millibars, pretty far to the north. The better dynamic forcing will be north of here. The precipitable water values are high, but the instability values are really lacking on this run. This is the surface-based Cape Friday afternoon. And it looks like we're going to see just a big rain mass evolving Friday morning. And if that's the case, that would likely limit instability values and keep the threat of severe weather relatively low for the state. The main concern at this point would be heavy rain and flooding. And again, that rain should be widespread Friday into Friday night. And then Saturday, this is Saturday at 4, the rain pushing out of the state. So the rain on Saturday, most likely during the morning hours, with a trend toward drier weather Saturday afternoon. The high Saturday, again, should be in the upper 60s. And Sunday will be dry and cooler. The sky will be sunny with highs mostly between 60 and 65. Should be a nice day. And a week from today, this is Monday, March 11th, a zonal flow. And once again, we are in a dry air mass. High should be in the 60s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, March the 14th. We got ridging over the eastern third of the United States. And if this verifies, we're still dry. So at the moment, it looks like a decent chunk of next week will be dry and mild. Highs in the 60s on Monday, back in the low 70s most likely for the rest of the week. We'll check the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean a little under 4 inches between now and the 19th of March. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. We've got 69 tomorrow, and then 70s on Wednesday and Thursday. And then low 60s by Sunday, but still we don't see any evidence of a big late season freeze for the next 10 days. I think we will have another one. No, it's almost inevitable. We almost have one every year in late March, early April, but for the next 10 days, no. And today's map not in yet. This is the map from yesterday, but I think the idea is going to stay the same. This is for March 11th through March 17th. Temperatures near, maybe slightly above average for Alabama and the Deep South. Let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Whoa, what a crowd here. Wow. Payne Elementary School in Trussville. These are the kindergarten students. And yeah, they're looking a lot like first graders this time of the year, but what a crowd. Goodness gracious. And man, let me tell you what, those treats are unbeatable right there. That warms my heart. I love those things. Those are good. But we had such a great time today. The kids were just great, wonderful, great listeners and talking about science. That's a great way to start a Monday. So again, to all of those amazing students and teachers at Payne Elementary School in Trussville, thanks a lot. And then stop number 2, Trace Crossings Elementary School in Hoover. These are my buddies in the 3rd grade. And I think most folks know that I love those 3rd graders. They're just great. Love teaching 3rd grade science. Had a great time today. And you can have fun learning science and meteorology. You can do that. Kids are just interested in weather anyway, but that's an amazing school. I've been there so many times over the years. Love it. So again, to all of those teachers and students at Trace Crossings Elementary School in Hoover, also the ones out at Payne Elementary in Trussville. Thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. All right, tomorrow going to be up in Madison County at Madison Elementary School. And then back to the Birmingham Metro for Cherokee Bend Elementary School in Mountain Brook. Wednesday, I-3 Academy in Birmingham. That's a great school. And then I'll be doing a program at Children's of Alabama for the patients and their families there. Wednesday evening, I'll be at Kimberly Church of God for a program at 7 o'clock between the 6 and the 10 o'clock news. Thursday, going to Lauderdale County, Waterloo High School. That'll be a lot of fun. Friday, I'll be at Cottondale Elementary School in Tuscaloosa County. And then Saturday, no book signing this week. I'll be in Stark Vegas, Starkville, Mississippi for a Man Church event there. That'll be a lot of fun with Rick Burgess and those guys. So hope to see many folks on the campus of Mississippi State University on Saturday. And of course, don't forget tonight, it's Weather Brains, the show for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, and weenies. We do that every Monday night. It's at 7 o'clock Central. And you can watch it live on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. But most people listen to the audio podcast, and that's going to be out early tomorrow morning. And of course, if you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous evening, and God bless.